Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a yin class to gain some flexibility in the mind and body. So to begin, let's start in a comfortable seat, taking a few breaths here, just centering yourself and centering your mind. And then we're going to sit in a butterfly pose, bringing your soles of the feet together and kind of like bringing it a little outward. And we're going to stretch here. You can come as low as your flexibility allows you to. This is a really great stretch for your hips or your hip flexors. It's the beauty of a yin class. You just sit in stillness, and that's how you gain your flexibility in whatever posture that you're doing. And take a few breaths here. Take an inhale, exhale. Big inhale and release. Exhale it all out through your nose. Inhale. Inhale, rise up slowly. Take a moment, and now we're going to come into a heart melting pose. It's a wonderful little back bend that gently opens the joints and chest, shoulders, and mid and upper spine. We're going to come into a tabletop, making sure your knees are directly beneath your hip bones. Now walk your hands forward and out, really strengthening and stretching the chest. Take a moment to feel the stretch. With each pose, we're going to hold for about 1 to 2 minutes. Inhale, you can rise up, bringing your hands back into a tabletop. And we're just going to sit back into a child's pose, just to release everything and get another great stretch in the hip flexors. And it's a great stretch for the shoulders as well. Inhale, come back up into a tabletop. We're going to move into our Sphinx pose. Lie on your belly with your legs side by side. Take an inhale here. Rotate your thighs inwardly by rolling your outer thighs toward the floor, drawing your shoulders back. Really, this is a relaxing pose, but it's also kind of engaging as well, because you are somewhat lifting your thighs off of the ground. Take an inhale here. You're kind of working your core muscles as well. You're activating your core muscles as well. Inhale. Exhale, slowly release your belly and lower your torso and head to the floor. Just taking a moment here before we go into our last pose of this yin yoga sequence. Inhale, rise up. Now we're going to come into a forward fold, by stretching the hamstrings. Take a moment to adjust yourself. Sit in a staff pose with your legs forward. Inhale, exhale. You can grab your toes or your shins and just feel your hamstrings stretch here. You can bend over your legs, or if you have blocks, you can place the blocks on your thighs and bend over that if you don't have the flexibility. Staying in this pose for 2 to 5 minutes will help you gain your flexibility. It will help you stretch out your hamstrings and to clear your mind. So just be here, be present. Inhale, rise up slowly. You can shake out your legs. Thank you so much for joining me in today's quick yin class.